A sinking concrete slab is more than just an eyesore, it's a safety hazard. Uneven surfaces can lead to trips and falls, while the resulting structural damage can lower your property value. Whether it's your driveway, patio, sidewalk, or garage floor, you need a reliable solution before the problem worsens. I'm Justin, and today we're exploring why concrete slabs sink and why polyurethane foam injection is the best long-term solution to protect your investment. How do you know if your slab needs lifting? Look for cracks forming on the surface, which indicate the slab is shifting due to soil movement. You might notice uneven or sloping areas or dips that feel unstable underfoot. Water pooling and puddles is another sign of uneven settlement. You should also check for doors or gates sticking near the concrete or visible gaps forming between the slab and adjacent structures like your garage or home foundation. Concrete slabs sink primarily due to changes in the soil beneath them. In California, expansive clay soils expand when wet and shrink when dry, causing the concrete above to shift. Intense rainfall from atmospheric rivers can saturate the ground, weakening soil support. Poor drainage, plumbing leaks, and even invasive tree roots can create underground voids. Over time, this loss of support causes the concrete to sink, crack, or become uneven. When it comes to raising a slab, you have several options. Mudjacking is an older method that involves pumping a heavy cement slurry through large drill holes. While less expensive up front, the heavy slurry can add weight to unstable soils, potentially causing future sinking. It also takes days to cure. For heavily damaged or crumbling concrete, full slab replacement may be necessary, but this is the most expensive and time-consuming route. The modern, non-invasive standard is deep polyurethane foam injection. We drill tiny 3/8 inch holes and inject a lightweight, expanding foam that fills the voids and lifts the slab in minutes. The foam cures within 15 minutes, allowing for immediate use. It is water resistant, durable, and won't add unnecessary weight to the soil. For cases of extreme settlement, we can also use underpinning with helical or push piers to provide deep, permanent stability. While mudjacking might seem cheaper initially, it often fails within a few years, leading to repeated repair costs. Polyurethane foam injection provides long-lasting solutions with minimal maintenance, making it a smarter financial investment. A sinking slab is a sign of underlying soil problems. Ignoring it will only lead to higher costs and more damage. Don't wait for your concrete problems to get worse. Take action today by scheduling a free inspection with Dalinghaus Construction. We specialize in leveling solutions that restore stability and improve safety. Let's get your concrete back on the level so you can restore your home with confidence. I'm Justin, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.